Okay, let's see one more numerical problem which will enhance our understanding of Ohm's law and its application in electricity. The question is saying the potential difference between the terminals of an electric heater is 60 volt when it draws a current of 4 ampere from the source. What current will the heater draw if the potential difference is increased to 120 volt? That means we are using same appliance, the heater, and we are changing the potential difference. Earlier it was 60 volt. Earlier the source of electricity was able to maintain a potential difference 60 volt, and at that time the current flowing in it was 4 ampere. So the question is saying if we change the potential difference to 120 volt, then what will be the current amount of current that the heater will draw if the potential difference is increased? It was 60, doubled. 60 double. So what will be the current flowing through it, right? So let's come to the since this is something containing, this is the electric heater, and electric current is flowing through the heater while maintaining a potential difference. So as the potential difference increases or decreases, the amount of current flowing through it or the current drawn by the appliance will decrease or increase. If the potential difference increases, the current will increase. If the potential difference decreases, the current will decrease, right? That's what the Ohm's law says. The Ohm's law says that the potential difference maintained across a conductor is proportional to the current flowing through it. Potential difference increases, the current increase. Potential difference decrease, the current will decrease, right? So, the ratio is the potential difference is proportional to the current, right? They are not equal; they are proportional. So when you convert this proportional sign into equal, there will be one constant, and that constant is called the resistance of the conductor. It's how the resistance is defined. The resistance is defined as the ratio of potential difference to the current flowing through it. It will never change. Unless the conductor is not changed, unless the electrical appliance is not changed, that means the potential difference, whatever the potential difference you are applying, will be proportional to the current flowing through it. Right? And this will not change. That means whatever the V, there will be proportional I, whatever the V, there will be proportional I, but the R will not change. So let's try to find out R first. How will we find R? It's a ratio of potential difference to I. Current 60 is to 4, that is 15, or 15 ohm. So the resistance of the conductor is 15 ohm. So when we are changing the source of potential difference, the electricity, the resistance will remain the same, to 15. And what's the meaning of this? It means that the voltage will be, the potential difference will always be 15 times of current, or the current will be 1 by 15 times of the potential difference. That's what it means. 15 is, what does it mean? It means there's 15 on the top, 15 above 1 is 15, right? So when the potential difference is 15, the current will be 1. When the potential difference is 60, the current will be 4. It's increased 4 times, so it will also increase 4 times. But the ratio will remain same. That's what the resistance is, right? So while dividing this to this, we have come to know the resistance. Now, so in this relationship, if you know the resistance, V and I, and if you know any one of them, either V, if you know the V, I can be calculated. If you know I, V can be calculated, right? So in the second case, what happens is potential difference is increased to 120 volt, right? So what will be the current? But this is what? This is resistance 15. So what will be current? Current will be V divided by 15. That 120 divided by 15 is 8. That's what it is. So this is the using of the relationship, right? The ohms, you can say the relationship R equal to V by N. Using this relationship, you can calculate that the current flowing through it will be 8 ampere. Otherwise, you can just simply see like this. Since the V and I are proportional, see 60 to 120, potential difference is increased, is double, right? So current will be double. 4 will become 8. As simple as that, right? 60 becomes 120, so 4 will become double 60, 120 is double of this. So it will be double of 4, 8 ampere. So the ratio remains same. 60 by 4 is 15, 120 by 8 is 15. Ratio means the resistance will remain same. 15 ohm, 15 ohm. You can do like that or maybe that. If this is a multiple choice question, you don't need to calculate the resistance. You just know that since they are proportional, the current will also increase proportionally. It has become twice, so it will also become twice. 60 has become 120, so 4 will become 8. In this way, you can calculate it. I hope you have, it's clear. Ohm's law is clear by doing this numerical problem.